Hi, today I'll share with you a quick way for background replacement in Photoshop. First, duplicate background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Image, Adjustments, Replace Color. Use the first eyedropper tool, then pick to the background to make the selection. Now, just drag the lightness slider to the right to brighten the background. In the review, there are some black areas. Use Blur eyedropper tool and click to those places. There you go. The background now completely changed to white. Adjust the fuzziness to around 100 in this case. Confirm. Double-click to foreground color. Move your cursor around to check whether the background is all white or not. OK. Click to layer mask icon to create a mask to layer 1. Use brush tool, black in foreground color. Paint on these areas to bring back its original color. Enjoy! If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, or you can leave comments right down below. Thanks for watching.